welcome back. So last session, just we talk about of LLM, AI assistant, right? So these are the AI assistants or application. So LLM is a brain, and AI assistant application is to complete the product that user interact with. Understood, right? So whatever the like it's a suppose we have a two-person. I am asking the question to you. You are giving the answer accordingly, right? But you don't have a billions of the data store in your mind, right? But LLM we have. That is what we have a quick and fast response we are getting. Okay. Now the next important topic is what is an AI agent? So an AI agent is an AI that does not just talk. It acts, think, and keep going until it finishes a job. The meaning, the big idea, the big idea in the story. Suppose you ask a normal question, like you are asking the question from the chat GPT, book a flat to the Delhi. It's say, okay, here you can book a flat and stop it. That's it. But the same thing, if you will ask to the AI agent, the same thing. So what it will do? It actually search the flight, compare the price, pick the best one, books it, and send you a confirmation. Done. So this is what the your job is means your job is completing end to end using the AI agent and three things that make an AI agent special. So it has a goal, just not a one question. It has a tools, search, code, email, and browse, and it keep looping. Okay, things, act, check, result, repeats until the job is finished. So guys, you can create your own AI agent, but we'll talk about it with respect to the playwright. You can see if you will go in the playwright. Let me. So playwright given their own AI agent. So you can see we have a AI agent. So we will go in the documentation. So we in this documentation, you can see some agent. So Playwright has introduced Playwright test agent. So we have a planner, generator, and healers. They have generated means this is the predefined agent. We are not going to create. We're going to use this agent. So I will give you this example. Okay, we can do some practice using this agent. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.